Well, hey everybody. Okay, as you can see, icky old carpeting gone. This is the yellow and coral room. And don't mind that, I'm gonna put a slip cover over it. But the floor is in really good shape. Okay, let's say the floor is in good shape. It's got one piece that's missing, but we can fix that. So this room is really coming along. So we have to finish the floor, the mini blinds, put the closet doors back on. I have some slip covers coming for the soft furniture, and it's gonna be lovely. So got the bed frame, the box spring, the mattress, the headboard. Gonna have a new air conditioner put in soon. They gotta finish painting the ceiling, took care of all that. So this room is coming along. They gotta fix that. Gotta take the pencil sharpener off the wall. And once I repaint that shelf yellow, life will be good. And yeah, gotta paint the door. So that is the yellow, coral, and orange room for now. So I'll keep you posted.